Hi Putsiya.
Ninjani ma?
Ngiyaphila unjani?
Siyaphila bandla. Hayi sesifikile.
Ngiyabonga.
Sibonge ma. Danki.
Okay Putsiya ungahlala lapho.
Danki ma.
Putsiya unjani?
Ukhala kusizi ma.
Yebo, okay.
Ngizile ke ingako ngikhona ke. Ngaphambi ukuthi singene kakhulu kulento okhala ngayo. Ke sibuyele emuva kancane.
Yebo.
Le company nonokhala ngayo kori le scheme lesokhala ngaso ke saka masingcwabisane. Sibizwa kuthiwa yini igama and wezwa kanjani ngaso?
Okay, le scheme sibizwa ukuthi Shingamani.
Shingamani.
Yeah, ischeme ngasizwa ngoSkhwiza sami.
Ona ke Sara Msibi. Bibi ke Skhwiza saka ke ngwana bo monaka. Nna ke be ke stile society se ke stibile ka nopsa. O la tla njwetsa ka sona ba joinisa batho. Ke se bona sebetsa ba tloba maka. Ba lotla go nna ba njwe ka se joina ka gona ba njwetsa ka sona.
Beza vele uSkhwiza sami wezana lo muntu ojoinisayo. Hayi vele ngajoina ngakhipha imali engange 280.
Bathi yeah,
lo yasisi wathi kimi asina trial. Especially sika November.
So sasu 280 rand
yes,
a month.
280 a month.
Sasicover ini ke kulo 280.
Kule 280 le bayakutshela ukuthi ukhipha abantu abayi14 and then kulabo bantu kuna 4 owichuzela tombstone. Abanye obachuzela inkomo. So abakuphi inkomo ehamba ngenyawo bakupha imali yenkomo 7500 ene bayakuthidisa futhi nge7000
buthatha buqalilo Skhwiza saka sihlokahalo ke sihlolo sahayi sabahlo umsebenza
Monday ngaya mina ngayobatshela ukuthi ngivelelwe yisifo usizukulu sami sishonile ene use Transkei. Okay, lo yabhuti lo yani wafuna izinto vele emele ngimnikeze zona ngathi okay umntana nami uzoza ubaba walomntana oshonileyo uzoziletha sasa i-death certificate, bank statement yonke lento yena ayidingayo.
Uzothiwa hayi chelete tla kena before 24 hours tla bekene chelete ari emela re nonna go re tla latela ka morago ka re nna ke a tsamaya ke ya Transkei ke lo boloka ko Transkei.
Mangimfonela lo yabhuti hayi izongena ngaza kwafika Friday ngangcwaba ene into ebhlungu bhuti ngize ngayoboleka imali kumashonisi imali engange 10000 ukuthi ngikhona ukuthi ngingcwabe because ngihambile ngikude ngise Transkei imali ithe izongilandela imali ayingilandeli okusalayo umntana mele angcwatshwe
so uboleka imali kumashonisi
yes
yokungcwaba isizukulwana sakho walo noma singcwabisana
yes ngibuye ke mangibuya ngiye futhi lapha eofficeini manje straight hawu bhuti wami yimlo ngibuyile imali ayikho ne athi kimi umuntu ophethe imali useDubai athi kimi ya lo muntu useDubai iba patient akusuwe uyi1 ni 4 vela ngikhomba ama file phela mina ngikoloda umuntu uhlala ngihlelile
umashonisi
manje ngihlelile I have to ukuthi ngibahluphe nabo
akikutle mnato ba le ka ofela e re utlwisitse bohloko ka hore jwa itshokele dikoloto tsa batho tsa machonisa ga nke tšhelete ya machonisa
phela sekundlula inyanga ne
aseDubai
useDubai akabuyi inyanga sendlulile senginikezwa ama number womunye bathi futhi ngimbhale tsotsi ngimbhale tsotsi
ione yakho
yeah bathe ione ama owner khona maningi mawusathi ukhuluma nalo lo sekakujikela athi phela mina nami akusi owner ama number we owner nginama number amaningi ngikhulume nabantu abaningi
athini ke utsotsi mawufone
utsotsi athi kimi senda izinto ama death certificate how musa ama death certificate sengiwasedile but anyway it's fine ngitshelwe umntana nami lo oshonelwe umntana barumele di ama lezinto abasinayo 123 lo yabhuti lo angiblock utsotsi
bathi ama owner le company mangaki sinjeni uloku uya bakubalela abantu abayingaki
bangibalele lo ngimbhala ukuthi utsotsi wokuqala banginike ama number wakhe bangipha ama number womunye bathi uLokhati wes2 yeah bangipha omunye ngimbhale ngale gama leka Soshangami
kuza saka ga a tsama re police station re lo ba tshwarisa re batla chelete ka le nna se ke batla ya ka e ke joinileng ka yona
last month bafaka 1400 accountini yami ngiyafona kanti kutheni 1500 yani bathi hayi lo yamfana uthe bona sebacabanga ukuthi basibuyisele imali esizikhiphile
iphike lokungcwaba ke
kanjani because mina ngifuna yomngcwaba phela mina sengingcwabile nginesikolodo ngathi kuye mali 1005 niyifakeleni angiyifuni ireverseni wathi SCC noma ngiyibhadalile le angithi niya complain nenzani kunomunye ocomplainile wathi ufuna imali yakhe bebathi bafakela yena ngathi kuye imali ayihlali nginesikolodo mina wathi hayi noma ungayisebenzisa but okusalayo at the end imali yakho uzoyithola ngiyakuthembisa
inenkulu kakhulu odinga ukuthi skip amafazi kusize ngayo ma
into enkulu engidingayo bengidinga ukuthi ngathi ninganginceda bangibuyisele le mali bangithembise yona ukuthi khona ukuhamba iye kulo ya mama
ya nna ke sa e batla ka go bona go sana go tlatlhelwa ke problem and then o thologe ha ba re berekele ga sa ba tshepa
ngicela ukufunda la babukeli na indaba la ikhona na ipamphlet kaMama yinhle yona izokuheha yona ibhalelana ukuthi iShingamani Burial Society is a funeral cover that has been founded in 2021 January. So we should basically abantu nabo basafufusa. It is a society that intends to bring unique services in the industry. It has cheap premiums and the payouts are reasonable to enable all people from all walks of life to afford it and give themselves and their loved ones a beautiful final gift, which is a dignified send-off. In this case, Umama did not even get ithuba lokwenza leyo nto leyo. Lama office akukunendawa le
akhona la ngasedimong akusikuthi.
Ngiyabonga nema.
Okay, bonga mina.
Usale kahle mina.
Ngiyabonga baba.
Sibuye sihlangane silungise le ndaba.
Okay baba.
Umashonisa uthini kuwe mama?
Uzothatha amasofa wami.
nna ka rata go bona khipha mafaele re thusitse gore a thole tšhelete ya le gona re thole tšhelete tsa gona re joineng ka tsona ka a ba re berekela
o bjang tule
Kunjani
o ya
ninjani
kite
kunjani sikhulu sami bhuti umdlalo oselo ne ngiphume channel 157 moja lapha skipha ama-files angazi if uyabazi umama all right umama benesikhalo-ke la indaba ye-payment yakhe neprocesswa kwezinto la ekhaya ma ngisacela umchazele ukuthi bukhala ngani ubhuti
I'm sure wa tseba ke kgale ke setla le lona ke batla tšhelete yaka es ke joinile society sa lona ka November la re monna ha ona trial es ka March o tseba hore ke ile ka tlhokofalla ke setlogolo ka tlisa everything wa mpotsa hore batho ba ile Dubai le tla lukisa until today and nna ke tsere tšhelete ya motho o nyaka tšhelete ya gae es ke boditse hore ke adimile tšhelete ha ke ya Transkei
kwenzakalani bhuti
now I'm a team leader. What I do here is that I join people, they join more now, and then if they are having the claims, I'm the one who help them to sign the papers for the claims. After that, I transfer everything to the head office,
ikuphi head office
which is in Polokwane.
isepolokwane ngicela i-website yenu futhi because I'm gonna punch it in. Does that website work?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, please punch it in. Give us the website. My guys are gonna punch it in. Is this a scam? It's not a scam. Let me tell you, South Africa right now, there's that website that they're telling about Gogo bethu ukuthi bayenze. So now let's make it simpler, ne? Because now we are here, these people are here, and it's been months and they've been crying about this thing. How do we now sort it out?
Now I don't have the answers.
You don't have the answers?
I don't have the answers. What I can do, I can give you the person who now I report to.
Please put somebody on the line because this money is needed. Umashonisa uthini kuwe mama?
uzothatha amasofa wami motho ka di akere go botse re ka dimile tšhelete o tlo tse di sofa tsaka o ndutse mo sometimes uthola ukuthi njenga this month benganamali ngimnikeze only 1000 so until now lo ya mama I'm sure sengimnike 3000 angafiki na ku 5
Akhele kae? Rona o simologadi. Okay, mama o tlile mo re tlo kopela re buisane ka taba ya tšhelete ya mme le payout gore o etsaetseng.
Mama o mofeng?
Lizin Tene.
Lizin Tene.
Yes, Molokadi.
Lizin Tene, as mama o leba mo feeling the claim ja ga back.
Ya mara ke re agreement ne se agreement ya claim mama. Ne le agreement ya payout. Mama o bile a lo kopa le tšhelete ko mashoniseng. A beya ngwana hae ha botlhoko. Antsa emitse tšhelete le ntse re etseleng. So I payout.
Payout ke ang Molokadi ka re wena sa lo dina o mpha di phone number tsa mme o mongwe o re ke yena o a tshwanetseng a patele mme o le ha ke mo founela sentse itse mo nna la lokisa ene wena wa be o mblocker wa sobu o nya go bolela le nna payout ya eng
le a tsaba re nna ka mo office ya ke that time re be re le but okay le join le society ka mama
yep
and then last time le gore go le papere le sign gore ala solla go mesa premium ya lena
ke e feng ka rona ke dinne go patela yona nako eo kgwedi eo ke tlhaeletseng ke leso mole ke emetse lona gore lona le patele nna
and then ele fetsa ga go limit aga le claim le la fetsa la patela
mara o molwa
ne go patela bjang ka gore ke emetse lona le patele nna
arasa ja di police ya ke re shuma ka di two stone and then from there ba mama will are stop tell them from ya bani ina go ile gore re process di tell na gore arasa ja di police then ra ba go refund the child ya ga back ya di claim ona le gore o avoid gore ba tla ba re okay shiga mali dirile ke thabile ka child ya rena so we avoided that ra di project claim tsa mama ra mo fatso
Arqale mo funeral ya mama ne le what date?
Funeral ya mama.
Ya mme e yana tsentse claim for yona. When was it? All right, who lokile?
I think claim ya gage I think it around about March.
All right. Premium ya hae o misitse premium ya which month?
Ya April.
You see, let's calculate January, February, March, April, ne? So meaning she missed the premium for the following month. So what you're saying, you cannot say you decline something on a premium on a month forward when the funeral was a month earlier. So do you hear what I'm saying? Because the funeral happened in March. The claim and your forms that I'm reading, it says Nikoka Masishani. Aishubuti, you wait for a month, it's Tolimali to a premium, then of cocaine. It doesn't say that. I have read your documents, man.
Okay.
No way does it say that.
Okay, because I'm employed. You're not my boss because I can't let get instruction. You're not my boss. I'll phone and then we discuss again.
How about we just do this? Can your boss come meet us?
I don't want to.
Okay, boss, how we go, Kayon?
I just because I'm travel. I mean, I'm sure because the last
Dubai, hey, we are trying to Dubai. We in there to Dubai.
Yo le posta bona ba itse ba ile Dubai ba ile kae ba boya ba bona sana need jo itse tsa se re fihla mole be ba re bona sa ba etsa majo.
Guys, start thinking of the implications that it's going to affect on everyone. So please, ke kopa with Moses Arfonele. We are here. We are going nowhere. This thing is easily sorted out. This company brings in a lot of money. All you need to do is pay 13,000 near high, and then we can all leave.
You know, it's very simple. The simple way kita idrang like na you're idrang kemo phone and then I'll phone like a very detailed instruction from here.
All right, Mama. Please do that. In the meantime, we shall wait. We malini ya ko mama.
1.4.
Oh, when you 1.4 good. A premium. I'm a premiums work. All right, again. If one wants to terminate and saying we're pulling out, what are your rules here so Mama can know them?
Of the terms and conditions, if pull out, there's no refund.
There's no refund. So if the person pulls out, they forfeit ama premiums about pattern.
Yes.
Okay. Mama uzwele we should mount uyayeka ungayeka abakuphoqi ukuthi uhlale if ufuna ukuyeka ungayeka but ke only thing is that usukufakile sicwilile umuyeka ngoba uziyekelela wena. Put his response, you can see the image, the emoji there. What TV?
Hello. Yeah, I will give them. Yeah, ring high Arabi. Yeah, ring high Arabi. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you the number of our boss. That is the person who is responsible for the company. On top.
Oh, you love about to say Dubai.
Yes.
Okay, ko pangwale ona fatshe ne baba si ngitile naye. Igama lakho N.
Mailbox is full and cannot accept any more messages at this time.
Please, can you just give him a heads up ukuthi somfonela sicela phindile.
No, I was trying to call. It says main mention.
Uputumela has been trying to get a hold of Ikulu. Uputi yenang Ikulu is responding. Uput Moss. Uthi I'm in a meeting. Ukho ibhek uputu amtshela ukuthi kunabantu la officeini baphume TV. Please awukhulume nabo ke bafuna ukwazi ngama outstanding claims. Puti's response, you can see the image, the emoji there. What TV? And he's But then he says, I'm in a meeting, please ask them to call me. Then he asked which channel, and then he said he will be out at 2 o'clock, so which is 1 hour from now. So we'll wait for 2 o'clock. So some phone ne. Hello.
Hello.
Unjani, Put Moses?
I'm fine, how are you?
We're good. But Moses, we are here with the situation here. First of all, you're speaking to Siabonga, ne?
Okay.
From Mojalav, like our contact details, from Mojalav, Shoba is keeping my files. I've got 2 ladies here with me. One Ukala with the situation that she's dealing with. So it's been a nightmare for her, and now it's gotten to the point where she's called us. So I generally don't like eating kulmela yakula abantu. So mama, ngicela ukhazela uPut Moses uyibeke nje short and straight endabeni ukuthi ukhala ngani nangu uPut Moses ulalele.
Put Moses minjani?
I'm good, and how are you?
Iko. Mina Lizi wakanthani. And then ni member yangu yala Thembisa. For society, burial society. So it happened him actually lovela ingwana yishtukulu. So loko banthebise ku ri bata hosha mali bangayihoshi babuya bakunwina mikona miye Dubai, and then loko maybe abatalungisa mali. So I was surprised last month loko kungena 1,400 baku banibadala ti premium tamina, because aneba nekanga chance yokuri ni rindela ku mali za ingena. So mina nibuye nitala wan ka Butumi nimutela ku phela mina nibuya ke ngwaba a Transkei ene ngwabe isikoloto. So nithembise munhu ku ri mali leyi ya mina ya society loko ingena nta hakela munhu luya. So until now anseyikuma.
Loko mwina, after you have received the refund of the premium, if that's what you did not want, why mina uyankai namtamtamtela? Because mina, I'm trying to look here, ne? I don't even see anywhere lavanga salabu you complained after you got the premium to whatever the problem was. Why mina uyankamtawula kuri when I'm allowing the premium, I'm allowed to continue, because they indicated that you did not want to wait, that rather you get all the money which you have paid back. I mean, you have paid into the company, and then
Papa Moses complain immediately. Nikobela ku ri nemeneka number ya ino bantsalanga vito ra yena ni tsale soshangana.
Akuna problem whether minika number ya muloyo or aminiki number as in this current situation. Mina lexi ninga tabula bla xo maka ku xo sungula loko la mali leyi mi vona ku premium has been refunded in full. The client requested that and she wishes not to continue. Loko sule swimatalwala manko. So sweswin'we ku swi vulaku hi leswi lava n'wana va swi vulaku. So mina lexi ni nga mi byela xo xexi ni kombela mi nyika nkarhi to get to the bottom of this. Ni kota ku tiva ku ri what is happening. Because kan'we file ya n'we yi pariwile. And leswi nga parisa swona you are refunded.
No, mina bengifuna ukuzwa nje ukuthi umama isiqiniseko or indlela iway forward yangakuwena ithini bese sivaleke futhi.
I'm going to get back to the lady today. That's what I said to her. I said before the end of business, I'm going to call the lady back.
All right. No. I hear you.
That's what I said. I said I will call her back to say, okay, so far this is what's going to happen and this is what we're going to do.
All right. Perfect.
You get my point?
That's all.
Because like first and foremost, it's like the thing is yes, it's written that she said I want my money back. And if someone says that, then she was refunded. So I just want to get to know what is going on. That's what I said to her. By the end of the day, I'm going to call her back.
All right. She does have the WhatsApp conversations that she was having with the employees. She can also forward you those so we can verify and we check with them. But other than that, thank you very much for your time and for attending to situation.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks, Moses. Okay. Moses, he will get back to us by the end of today.